Hello there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I achieved this twist. So, I got my style inspiration from a popular YouTube hairstylist. Her name is Adana Madweke. When I saw the hairstyle, I fell in love with it. I got some Brazilian wool for the style, and then I cut it in the length I wanted. So keep watching. So the hairstyle is a medium-sized twist. The extension uses Brazilian wool, and then you just cut it into the size, medium size, and then after cutting the box you would like to twist, you divide it diagonally and then put the Brazilian wool in between, and then use a small rubber band to secure it. It doesn't have to be tight. Before using the rubber band, I already oiled my rubber band to reduce friction between my hair and the band. So yeah, and then after that you just take the Brazilian wool, cover your hair, use it to cover your hair, and then twist down. That's just the style. So for her style, she did has a bit shorter than mine, but me, I wanted mine to be a bit longer, so I did it to the length I wanted. You can use any gel or edge control just to smoothen the parts. If it's something you've not done before, it can be very taxing. I must say, twisting your hair, like just your hair, and styling just your hair is much easier than using the extension. Man, this hair took me 5 hours. Yeah, I styled the hair around let's say around 3. No, I started the hair around 4, 3, 4, and then I got till like 8, 9 at night. I had to even stop recording.
I know I'm superwoman, I know I'm strong, I know I've got this cause I had it all along. I'm phenomenal, I'm enough, I don't need you to show the bar for me. And someone just hold me, don't fix me, don't try to change a thing. Cause someone just know me, cause under me, I'm broken and it's beautiful. Hey, I'm broken and it's beautiful, I'm broken and it's beautiful. I'm broken and it's beautiful, I'm broken and it's beautiful.
I was actually scared of this rubber band thing, but man, what came out after losing the hair was nothing to be worried about. It was just regular hair that you shed when you make your hair, and it was amazing. It was amazing. I hope to post that videos soon so you see how you can unravel this kind of stuff. At this point in the hairstyle, I was like, God, let this hair finish now. Man, one thing with hair, once you start it, you must finish it. Especially if you're not a stay-at-home person. Like, if you have somewhere to go the next day, you have to finish it though. It's not like clothes that if you sew to a point, you can leave it and come back whenever you are ready to do, like mentally ready and physically ready to do it. So then I was just exhausted. I'm like, oh God, let this hair finish. Oh, it's running late. I need to sleep and wake up for work tomorrow morning. Like, wake up early to go to work. So yeah, I finished it here, cut the excess ones, so you cut it and tie the head in. Then in the morning I decided to finish it up with the mousse. Mousse from YRS. It helps to smoothen any flyaway hairs on the hair and gives it this shine and hold. So I'm just applying the mousse on the hair. You can see how beautiful it came out. Ah, so proud of myself. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. If this style is something you like to try, comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you the next time I post another video. Bye.